Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to change the batteries on your White Rogers thermostat. So as you can see, the thermostat is not displaying anything anymore because the internal batteries have completely died. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. So this is very simple. On this particular model and on a lot of similar ones, just the front faceplate is just going to pop off completely, and there's a little tab in this lower left hand corner for this model where you can just put your finger underneath and just pop the front half of the faceplate completely off, just like so. Then from here you can see the batteries in the top on here. Now depending on your thermostat, because this can be used for many different thermostats, they may be placed differently around. But in this one they are on the top and they have a little pull tab. You can just pull these old dead batteries out of here. And we will go ahead and replace them with some new ones. We're going to put in some Amazon Basics batteries that I had. Just put those in there, make sure the battery tab is back so you can use that the next time you need to replace them. And snap those in, and you can see it's already booting up, and we're just going to snap the cover right back on, and as you can see, there you are, you're good to go. Now you can use all your functions again. You can adjust your temperatures, and you're good to go for another 3 to 6 months probably. Thanks for watching guys. If this helped you out, please be sure to smack that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Peace out.